Hi everyone, this is a demo video of our latest product, the DSGW-071, which has a WPS button here, and it is a dual band Wi-Fi repeater supporting 2.4G and 5G. The plug can be replaced with different standards, and it can be used as an AP or a Wi-Fi signal repeater. The default SSID is DOSUN 2G 26DD and DOSUN 5G 26DD. Password is 12345678. So I'm now about to show you how to use it to extend Wi-Fi signal. Let's say we're about to extend the signal of this Wi-Fi named HZ DOSUN. We need to plug the repeater in the socket, and the red LED light will flash rapidly, meaning it's initializing right now. After a few seconds, the red light is constantly on. That means it's ready for pairing. Now we select the repeater's Wi-Fi named ending with 26DD. If it's your first time using it, you need to enter the default password 12345678. A configuration page will pop up. It will ask you to create an administration password if it's your first time using it. Here I just enter my password. Going to the next step, you simply scan the nearby Wi-Fi. Here, as I said, we select the 5G Wi-Fi named HZ DOSUN. As you can see, the signal is not very ideal. We select it, enter the password of HZ DOSUN, create a name for the extended SSID. I simply added EXT at the end of the new extended SSID. Now it's done. It automatically connects to the extended Wi-Fi, and let's see how fast the speed is. It works perfectly when I'm streaming YouTube. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.